So my dissertation study dives into a really unique socializing experience that many students in science, technology, engineering, and math or STEM fields face. And that is the experience of being motivated by STEM role models or individuals who are successful in STEM. Now, educators often present students with role models in order to motivate them, particularly students from marginalized gender and racial ethnic groups in STEM. However, based on this research and on personal experience, we also know that not all role models are created equal. Sometimes we can watch someone else succeed and think, whoa, she's so cool, I could totally do that. But then other times we watch people succeed and think, there's no way I could do what they do. So what particular characteristics of role models make them motivating? Well, one important feature to consider is similarity, as research suggests that similar role models are more motivating to us. This is why a lot of educators present students with same gender or same race role models. However, college students can be similar to role models in many different ways, and it's not clear what kinds of similarity are going to be most important for their motivation. Understanding what kinds of role model similarities are important can help educators design effective interventions, particularly in cases where same gender or same race role models are unavailable or are not sufficiently motivating to students. So for my dissertation study, I surveyed over 1,000 college students in their STEM courses about their STEM career role models, and I asked them all about the different kinds of similarities that they felt to their role model. Then, using structural equation modeling, I looked at how these different role model similarities were related to students' motivation to pursue STEM careers, and also how these patterns might differ for students from different gender and racial ethnic groups in STEM. This led to two key findings. So first, feeling academically similar to role models in terms of academic abilities, efforts, and interests can positively support college students' STEM motivation. And these academic similarities were also more salient to students' motivation relative to other traits such as demographic, gender, or race. And so it might be really important that we also introduce students to academically similar role models. So for example, a role model who shares the student's academic abilities or interests in STEM. Now second, I also found within these academic similarities, students from marginalized gender and racial ethnic groups in STEM relied on different sources of academic similarity when being motivated by their role models. If the goal is to promote women and students of color in their STEM career trajectories, it might be particularly important to leverage similarities in terms of academic efforts. So for example, we might present role models who share the challenges and the efforts they put forth on their path to success. So altogether, this study revealed the different kinds of similarities that are important to students' role models and how educators can broaden their STEM participation. Thanks so much.